Hello, I'm Anna, the Virtual Technical Director of ESAO. I want to welcome you to the official guide. Here, you have at your disposal, for free, a list of the best extra virgin olive oils. I want you to get to know the guide from the inside. To understand how it works, and in this way, you'll see how simple and practical it is. You'll see with me how to enter and all the possibilities it offers. From filtering by varieties to knowing which specific oils have the BCR, or organic certification, for example. Let's go. We enter the ESAO website and look in the main menu for the section on the ESAO guide. We click on the guide. We have entered the official ESAO guide. We see a menu where we can directly filter by the brand of olive oil, by all the awards or all the awards. We can also filter by countries. One of the great values of the guide is the filter for quality certificates, which are so important in marketing. Finally, we have the varieties filter, where we can see all the varieties presented. Let's go through an example. We're going to search for an olive oil from Spain. For instance, we'll use the variety filter and select Arbequina, then click the search button. Scrolling down, we see all the brands that match our selected filters. Let's click on the first one, and we're presented with the brand of the oil, all it seals. We note that it includes the ESAO 1-star award. We see the variety, the geographical area, and a certificate. There's an option to click on the producer's website button to get more information. Upon clicking, we directly see the website, and in this case, we can view it in English. We can see everything that interests us about the producer before making a purchase, and ensure all the information we care about. We see, for example, that it is an extra virgin olive oil that has been awarded on more than one occasion. We go back until we return to the main menu of the guide, and we click on the button to proceed with a new search. In this way, the previous filters will be eliminated and we will start with new filters if we wish. I invite importers and distributors to consult our guide. Not only as a resource, but as a strategic partner in your quest to offer exceptional olive oils. Virgin olive oils that raise standards and create memorable culinary experiences. Because in the end, success in the global market is built on the foundation of unsurpassed quality, and is also built with the distinction that you choose to provide.